it's Gina from WTI. I just love how exquisitely beautiful this cashmere scarf is from NAQASH. Not only is it handmade on a hand loom in Kashmir, but it is so soft and luxurious. There are some scarves that I just cannot tolerate around my neck because it makes me itchy and I get kind of hives. But this NAQASH scarf has been so soft and comfortable. It hasn't given me any issues and I just love wearing it. I got the color burnt orange. It's so vibrant, so brilliant, and it looks beautiful with many different colors and outfits. I like wearing it over sweaters or of course underneath my coat or jacket, and it just helps to liven up things, especially in the winter time when things are gray and dreary. I just love that this company is doing everything it can to protect and to promote local artisans and the handicraft of Kashmir right in the Kashmiri locale. This scarf would make an absolutely gorgeous gift. They have so many different colors to choose from. You're sure to find the perfect one for that special someone in your life. And that's my point of view.